Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie. In this week's video, we leave Chiang Mai and make our way over to Chiang Rai, Thailand, where we spend a couple of days. I'm going to give you a tour of our hotel, the Hotel Chiang Rai, and take you around to some wats and the night market and some food stalls. So let's go. We just arrived in Chiang Rai. We are staying at the Chiang Rai Hotel. I'm going to give you a look at the courtyard area. We're here for 4 nights and we paid $19 a night. And it is no frills, that's for sure. Here is the courtyard. It kind of reminds me of an embassy suites type of rooms around a central courtyard. There's Garrett. Here's our room. We are in room 213. We're walking in. We have a place to hang clothes. There's our luggage. They've provided us with sandals. Our bathroom has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. And like I said, this is no frills. We have a TV, 2 chairs, a place to work, and a king-size bed. Now I will say, it is clean, but it smells like whoever was here before us smoked some pot, which is legal in Thailand. Here's our view. We have a tree, and we'll take you around the rest of Chiang Rai throughout the next couple of days. We've been wandering around Chiang Rai. This is the night market. It's in the process of opening up. Lots of stalls, lots of seating. We're coming back here tonight, but wanted to give you a view before it got packed and you could not see how massive it is. We are in Chiang Rai, first full day. We got here yesterday afternoon. We lounged around this morning, but today we came to this wat. Very pretty, very ornate, and no one is here. So here's a look at the altar. Let's walk around before we go in the museum. Unless you'd like to go in the museum now.
No, we can do that on our time.
I hope you like this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Also, check out our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Hope you have a great week.